everyone, my name is Shelby. I use she, her pronouns. I work for Wilderness Inquiry, and today I'm going to show you how to complete the Let's Explore Routes activity. You can find the instructions in your Day 1 Mississippi River Explorers packet. Feel free to follow along. In this activity, we'll be comparing the roots of two different types of trees, the bur oak tree and the willow tree. The bur oak tree has large, thick roots, but not very many of them. The willow tree, on the other hand, has lots of small, fibrous roots. We'll be conducting our experiment to determine which of these two trees would survive better in the floodplain forest ecosystem. What do you think? The bur oak with the few large roots, or the willow with the many small roots? Make your hypotheses now. The supplies you'll need for this activity are 3 cups, 3 half-sheet paper towels, 2 paper clips, a permanent marker, and a pair of scissors. To start, fill up 2 of your cups about halfway full with water. It helps to make sure that there's almost exactly the same amount of water in each cup. Now, using your permanent marker, make a line at the water level on each of the cups. Now we'll make the roots. Rip off one of the paper towel sheets. Start to roll up the paper towel. Once you've finished rolling, flatten it out and use a paper clip to secure it in place. Use your scissors to make one vertical cut upwards along the paper towel. Make sure not to cut yourself. This paper towel represents the bur oak tree, only a few thick roots. Now we'll make the willow tree roots. Fold the remaining 2 paper towel sheets in half so that one sheet lies on top of the other. Roll up the paper towels again, just like we did last time. Secure the end with your other paper clip. Now, place multiple vertical cuts upward on the paper towel. I can usually fit 2 or 3 cuts. Again, be careful with the scissors. This paper towel represents the willow tree, lots of small roots. Now we have our 2 sets of roots ready to go. Now let's test how they would react in the floodplain forest. Dip each paper towel roll in 1 cup and hold them there for about 10 seconds. Watch them absorb that water. After about 10 seconds, remove the paper towel rolls from the cups and place them in the 3rd empty cup for easy cleanup. What did we find? Did one paper towel roll absorb more water than the other one? Did one absorb faster than the other? How far up did the water travel in each roll? Based on what we learned, what type of tree do you think would do better in the floodplain forest? Was your hypothesis correct? Thanks for participating in the Let's Explore Roots activity. If you have questions, comments, or want to share pictures or results, email us at canoemobile@wildernessinquiry.org. See you again soon!